Before we can even use bars and pipes, we need to install Amiga Forever on our PC. Amiga Forever is an Amiga emulation package that allows you to run most Amiga programs on a PC. Go to amigaforever.com and click on the Products tab on the left side of the screen. You can buy any of the 3 options. I prefer the Plus edition, since it comes with the games. After you've installed Amiga Forever, you'll want to go to your system drive. Scroll down to Users, and find where all of your users are listed. Click on the Public folder. Click on Public Documents. You should see a directory called Amiga Files. In that folder, click on the Shared directory. Now click on the dir folder, which means Directory. In that directory, click on New Folder and name this folder Work. Now you're ready to install bars and pipes. There are several places on the web where you can find it. Go ahead and copy the files from the archive into the Work folder you just created. You now want to open up the Amiga Forever emulator. I like to use the Amiga 4000, since it's the fastest of the bunch. Go ahead and right-click on Amiga 4000 and select Edit. You can play around with the settings later, although I'd recommend that you don't. For right now, all we need is the Media tab, so click on it. At the bottom of this window, click on Add. Now click on the Type field at the top of the next window and pick Directory. Point it to your work directory you created earlier. Select OK. You also want to click on the Configuration tab and make sure that the serial port is set to MIDI. Once that's done, double-click on the Amiga 4000 and the Amiga desktop should pop up. You should also see the Work folder. Double-click on it. You should now see the Bars and Pipes folder within another window. Double-click it and then double-click on the Bars and Pipes icon. When you do this, you're going to see an error message saying that the volume is write protected. Click on the Cancel button until the error window disappears. Instead, drag the Bars and Pipes icon out of that window and into the parent window. See the next video for how to set up bars and pipes.